Hello, it's me again, Jen. Today, I want to talk about having our best manners and using our best manners. And I have a song I'm going to show you, but I want you to, it's called More Milk. This is orange, but this is milk. Why is it milk? Because where does milk come from? A cow. And how do you get the milk out? You squeeze, that's right. So this is the sign for milk. So when you're asking for more in sign language, you don't have to say, please can I have some more milk? That would take so long. All you have to say is more milk, please. And you're all done. That's all you need. So my song is about when you want more. And it's all about more milk, more juice, which we take our pinky like this and you make a little J near your mouth. Juice. Could be orange juice, apple juice, but this is just juice. So more juice. Or it could be more, what's that healthiest thing that we drink? It's water, right? With a W. Doesn't that look like a W? Put up 1, 2, 3, W, and put it here. Water. That's water. Okay, so in my song, it's asked for more milk, more juice, and more water. And it says, because mine's all gone. And all gone in sign language for a drink is like this. You take the hand that you write with and you make a C, and you rest that on the palm of your other hand like that. So your thumb is down, and this is all gone. All gone. It's kind of like if I had a straw, right? And I was drinking, you drink it all, that's all gone. But my song also talks about food that we eat, like more. Do you remember what that means? Crackers. Or more cheese. Oh, I love cheese. And more apple. If you do it once, it means cool. If you do it a bunch of times, it means apple. And for your food, when it's all gone, we don't do this because we're not drinking it out of a glass. We do it like this. All gone. All right, here comes my song. This is especially for 2 of my teachers who I know love this song. Here it comes. And we're going to start talking about manners in our sign language. Here we go. All right, get my hands ready. Okay, get your fingers ready for more. Here we go. More milk.
Please may I have more milk? More milk. More milk. Please may I have more milk? Mine's all gone.
I want more milk.
More juice.
Juice.
More
Get your
juice.
pinky up.
Please may I have more juice? More juice. More juice. Please may I have more juice? Mine's all gone.
I want more juice.
More crackers.
Crackers. Do you remember that sign?
Please may I
Please. Uh-oh. All right, so much for that.